Hi there and welcome to Dee's Delights Bakes and Bites. Today we're going to be creating this delicious spicy grilled sea bass. It's one of my go-to recipes whenever I want a simple and quick meal. So let us create. Here I have some sea bass which has been cleaned and is ready to be marinated. For the marinade, I'll be using some hot pepper, onion, spring onion, some lemon, as well as some ginger, garlic, a seasoning cube, some black lemon pepper, and some oil. So let's get started. Pound all the ingredients till you have a rough blend, but ensuring that it's all mixed up. Once you're happy with the mix, add it into the black lemon pepper or your black pepper if that's what you're using, and add in 2 tablespoons of oil and thoroughly mix it again. Once it's all nicely mixed up, score your fish and slather on the marinade. You might want to wear gloves for this stage, and if you don't, do be careful. The last thing you want to do is rub your eyes. And then I chop up some slices of lemon and stuff the cavity of the fish with them. Once that is all done, the fish is covered with some cling film and put in the fridge to marinate for a while if you have some time. If not, you can go ahead and cook it. But of course, the longer you can marinate, the tastier the fish. Take the fish out about an hour before you're ready to grill it and bring it back to room temperature. Then place it in a well-oiled dish. Cover the fish again with any bits of the marinade that have seeped out. And now that is good to go under the grill. I do not turn this over halfway because I like my fish crisp on the top and quite moist on the bottom. But if you like a very crispy fish throughout, turn this over halfway so that it crisps on the underside too. And there you have it. Our spicy grilled sea bass is ready. Well, what would you have that with? Tell me in the comment section below. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Have you subscribed? Thank you if you have. See you in the next one. Ta-da!